This is the 1999 Dodge Grand Caravan. Today we're going to take this off, we're going to clean it up, respray it, make it look nice, take these off, respray them, make them look nice. First thing you want to do is lift this guy up right here, exposing the bolt, which is a 15mm. Once you remove the nut, lift this up. Oh, and there it goes. It just wiggles straight off like that. I'm going to mark these left and right so I know which is which. Right, the next thing you're going to do is take a T25 Torx. You're going to remove that screw, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one right there, which is 6 in total. As you can see, I'm not going to demonstrate how to do it because ain't nobody got time for that. Next thing you have to do is take these guys off here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm using the same wrench that I took these guys off with. Next thing you want to do, disconnect the wiper fluid right here. Right, the next thing you're going to do is just going to give it a kind of a wiggle just to free it up, and you're going to lift it off. Because I've only got one hand, obviously I'm not going to show you how to do it because you can wangle it. Now, also you can see that the wiper fluid is actually stuck right there, so I'm actually going to disconnect it right there. So I managed to get this off pretty easy just by giving it a little bend, lifting this hood up, pulling it out from the middle, releasing it from both sides. So here it is. I am now going to clean it up, and I'm going to spray it with some black bumper paint, and I'm also going to spray the windshield arms.